Naghahanap ka ba ng sapatos pang hiking? If yes, this video is for you. First shoe is the Terex AX4 hiking shoes. This shoe is made from mesh with synthetic lining, EVA midsole, and Continental rubber outsole. So basically, yung kilalang brand na Continental na sikat sa paggawa ng mga gulong sa US at Canada ay same brand na gumawa ng outsole sa sapatos na to. So expected na durable and makapit yung outsole ng sapatos na to. Second shoe is the Merrell Bravada 2. This shoe is made from knitted mesh for breathability, made from EVA foam for comfort, and Merrell Quantum Grip Rubber for traction. So yung sapatos na to is nakafocus sa comfort, breathability, and traction. Last shoe is the Scarpa Terra GTX. Yung upper part ay gawa sa water-repellent leather, and the lining is made from Gore-Tex membrane, and the outsole is made from Vibram. So basically, yung Gore-Tex is tagging sa mga items or bagay na pangbasagan talaga. And Vibram naman ay kilalang brand na gumagawa ng ganitong sapatos. So ikaw, ano ang hiking shoes na gamit mo? That's all. Bye!